Hello YouTube, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and on this channel we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney. And bare seconds ago, a pigeon, got right outside my window by some kind of hawk. And that was wild because it exploded in feathers. Just boom. Mid-air bird-on-bird collision. I don't really know how that works because it is 21 floors down. I would think it might be a little hard to land with your pigeon prey. I don't know, but it was wild to see. And there are still pieces of feather floating around. So that happened. We have a question here from YouTube user By His Grace B7K. Excuse me. And By His Grace says, so your coworker did sign an NDA and they were represented by another law firm. The attorney who represented them, can they still share things about their client's case with your attorney? What do you mean, even though they signed the NDA, they can still be subpoenaed? Okay. So right off the bat, let me say, I haven't reviewed the NDA they signed. So I can't answer your question. Can the attorney share things or not? I don't know. But that file is your coworker's property. When you're a client of an employment attorney, your file is your property. It is yours. So you have that, right? That's positive for you. Now, an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, says you can't talk about things. You can't disclose things. But an NDA can't beat a subpoena because you can't contract around the courts. The courts are more powerful than a contract. So if you get a subpoena and you say, hey, my coworker, I need you to come talk about this. I need you to bring these documents when you come talk about this. They then have to, right? You're forcing them, even though they probably want to come and help you, right? But you're forcing them, and in forcing them, what you're doing is getting them out of that NDA because you subpoenaed them. And the court says, hey, this person has to come answer these questions and bring these documents. Tremendous. So the second half of your question there is, what do you mean even though they signed the NDA, they can still be subpoenaed? I mean just that. So the subpoena beats the NDA. So your coworker can come, testify in your case, be deposed in your case, and there's no way out of that. It just is what it is. You can't beat the subpoena. They can bring the documents with them. They can get their file from their attorneys. And listen, I don't know if the attorneys can collaborate or not. I don't know what was signed. I don't know what the deal is. But, yeah, you can still use the subpoena. I hope this helps. Good luck to you. And I hope that you are going to get paid, made whole, and good things happen for you. Take care. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, comment down below. Share the channel so it can grow. Take care.